Hi friends. Welcome to my channel Newsgirl Technical Gossip, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest news about the technology first. Following in the footsteps of the Google Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL earlier this week, the upcoming Huawei Mate 20 Pro has just shown up in a bunch of official case renders that showcase the smartphone. Building upon the overall design language that Huawei debuted earlier this year with the P20 series, the new Mate 20 Pro will once again make use of a notched display. However, in this case, it will be significantly bigger due to the Face ID-like technology that it incorporates, in addition to the usual in-ear speaker and front-facing camera. Additionally, there will once again be a chin towards the bottom. It's clear that Huawei has made an effort to actually reduce the size, but it hasn't taken things to the same level as Apple. The company actually folds the controller beneath the panel, allowing for a bezel-less look. But understandably, this manufacturing process is much more expensive and would ultimately drive up the price of Huawei's devices. Elsewhere in the images, the presence of a new square-shaped camera on the rear is notable. This is home to 3 cameras and a dual-tone LED flash. More notable, though, is the lack of a rear-facing fingerprint scanner. This once again backs up claims of a new in-display reader. As revealed by these images, it seems Huawei has a wide range of official cases in the works that will rival both Apple and Samsung's offerings. These include the typically cheap TPU cases alongside some slightly more premium silicone offerings. Moreover, the Chinese brand seemingly has a few flip covers in the works too, including a leather option and one that could rival Samsung's S-View case. Presumably, these cases will all be announced on October 16 in London alongside the new Mate 20 series and the upcoming FreeBuds 2 Pro. Thanks for watching.